good. How are you?
Rolling?
Talk.
चलो रोल है
Ma'am, firstly, you're looking black beauty.
Areva. Thank you very much.
Tell us something about the outfit and about the ramp walk.
Fab outfit. I think it's the perfect match to the car as well. The XUV 700, and I think both the designer's collection as well as the car, they understated luxury, classic, elegant yet really edgy, and I think that goes with the outfit as well. And I felt really comfortable, and it was really fun to walk in something that I would wear. This is something I would wear to go out myself. So it was great. It was a really fun walk.
योर फेवरेट कार
My favorite car. I love SUVs, so the XUV is perfect for me.
यस प्लीज
Amazing
Hi.
show.
Hello. Hello.
Pratap, come here. I run Exhibit magazine and you did fabulous walk.
Great.
एंड
You look
Glad you liked
absolutely.
it. Thank you.
कैसे हो?
हेलो ब्रदर एंड
That's Mr. Pratap Bose. He's the chief design officer.
We met.
अब आप क्वेश्चन पूछो.
जी सो अब यही बातें कर रहे थे कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शो हमें देखने को मिला तो बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस है क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए
That's fine. It's fine.
No, no,
आप
please.
सेंटर
Women
आप
should always
सेंटर
be
हिंदी में
यू कंफर्टेबल एनीवन हिंदी इंग्लिश
सो ये शो हमारे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल है महिंद्रा के लिए एंड वी आर सो लकी दैट समवन लाइक डायना did the show for us because Diana represents exactly what 700 Dark Edition is: elegant, strong, confident, being noticed without shouting. And I think that's exactly what the Ebony Edition is. And thank you, Diana, for doing
Thank
this
you.
for us.
Thank you for the kind words.
तो
So
डायना जी
Diana is what he means is it's not that Diana is dark. It doesn't mean that. It means that Diana embodies dark in a way which is very sexy and very exuberant. You know, when she walked the ramp, you saw the show, right? It was already speaking volumes about what the show is, what the car is, and what she is as a person, right? Because she is an actress, she is a model, she is somebody who embodies that combination just in the right way.
I just want to add also, like the XUV 700 Ebony Edition, Diana brings joy to our lives. When we see her
Wow.
work,
Aren't
and
we in the Christmas spirit?
I think, I really think that's what it's about. When you can bring joy to people's lives through a car, through your acting, through your work, and I think that's really what creative people do.
So you should ask Diana what she thinks about the car.
I actually spoke about the car just
हमने
before you
वही
came.
बात की एंड हम बात कर रहे थे कि डायना जी आपका आउटफिट बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है
Please come.
थीम
Let
के
the designers
साथ
come in
में यस यस
because they are the
के
one
साथ
who
में
are.
बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है थोड़ा बता
Gaadi B, I feel like the outfit, like I said, classic, elegant, and very sophisticated, understated, but very edgy and chic.
क्रिसमस
And you must ask the designers
Yeah.
their point of view as well.
ब्यूटीफul कार
The question to ask is how much time was it going in doing the black edition between these three people? Because they're the one who
between them.
कार मॉडल्स डायना जी शो सब कुछ हमें बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल देखने को मिला
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
एक्सपीरियंस विद ऑल
The experience was lovely. It was an amazing collaboration with Mahindra and Diana. She looked amazing. Car is obviously stunning, and it was a superb collaboration. It was a very short time, but we tried to pull out the best we could. Being in the industry for so many years.
You did a good job.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to say, Sonam and Paras, again, their creativity, but bringing out the elegance, the style, the power in their clothing, through their clothing, that you see on Diana, and represents our vehicle so well. I mean, it was, it just gave me goosebumps.
I think that was the whole inspiration behind the collection too.
एंड
सबका opinion मिल गया ना?
डायना जी क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर इज जस्ट अ कॉर्नर सो क्या कुछ आपकी प्लानिंग होने वाली है क्या कुछ
क्या ब्लैक पहनेंगे या रेड पहनेंगे?
I always wear black. I love black. I live in black. I'm gonna outshine the night with black.
She is a black Christmas guy. Is it right?
So, yeah, Christmas and New Year around the corner. So I have to put up my Christmas tree. I've not done it yet, but I promise to do it tomorrow.
सुपर
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Diana, will take some still photos of you.
Yes, sure.